Hi and welcome to this new video on my YouTube channel. Today, we'll be talking about how to use remarketing to recover lost customers. Remarketing is a digital marketing technique that enables you to reach website visitors who have not made a purchase or have abandoned their cart. This technique allows you to show targeted ads to these visitors to encourage them to return to the website and complete their purchase. Here are some steps you can follow to use remarketing to recover lost customers. Firstly, you need to define your remarketing audience. Identify website visitors who stayed for a certain period of time, visited specific pages on the website, or abandoned their cart. These visitors are potential customers and can be reached again through remarketing. Secondly, you need to create targeted ads. Create ads that are relevant to your remarketing audience and that encourage visitors to return to the website and complete their purchase. Use eye-catching images, persuasive copy, and special offers to grab the visitor's attention. Thirdly, you need to choose the remarketing platform. There are several remarketing platforms available, such as Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and LinkedIn Ads. Choose the platform that best suits your needs and budget. Fourthly, you need to set up your remarketing code. This code is a piece of code that you need to insert on your website to collect information on visitors and show them remarketing ads. Make sure to insert the code correctly and test it before launching your remarketing campaign. Fifthly, you need to define your bidding strategy. Decide how much you want to spend on remarketing ads and what offer you want to make to website visitors. For example, you can offer a discount or free shipping to encourage visitors to complete their purchase. Sixthly, you need to monitor your remarketing metrics and make the necessary adjustments. Monitor your remarketing metrics, such as click-through rate, conversion rate, and cost per click. Use this information to make the necessary adjustments to your remarketing campaign and improve your results. In conclusion, remarketing is an effective digital marketing technique to recover lost customers and increase conversions. Remember to define your remarketing audience, create targeted ads, choose your remarketing platform, set up your remarketing code, define your bidding strategy, monitor your remarketing metrics, and make the necessary adjustments. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked it, I invite you to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more interesting content like this. Thank you for watching.